Hello guys, my name is Sakode. In this video, I'll show you how you can reset your Twitter password. You are forgetting password. So to start your computer, you click on any browser of your choice and you log in to Twitter website. Right, click on forgetting password. This will prompt you to enter your username and your Twitter account. To enter the username, then click on search their database. This will prompt you to enter your personal information. This will be the phone number that you use to register for your Twitter accounts. Enter your phone number that you use to register your Twitter accounts. Then click on next and click on next the confirmation code my phone. So you take on this circle here. The verification code will be sent to your phone number that you use to register your Twitter account. Click on it, click on next. This will prompt you to enter a phone check number or verification code that has been sent to your phone. So you open text messages, copy the Twitter confirmation or verification code, then you paste that. You click on verify. And you'll be prompted to reset your account's password. So enter password that you want to use. After that, click on reset password to reset your password. And it will prompt you the reason why you change your password. Tick, I forgot my password. I tick on it, then click on next, then click on continue to Twitter. You can have access to your Twitter web portal. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe, share, comment, click the bell icon to receive notification anytime I upload a new video. See you next time.